It's really a great pleasure to be here. And I'd like to convey my sincere gratitude to Secretary General of the United Nations for co-hosting this conference on resilient Pakistan with me. Ever since 10th of September last year, when Pakistan was hit by the most ferocious and devastating floods, I met my friend for the first time when he was very kind to visit Pakistan, and we were together in the camps where affected people were spending their days and nights under sultry weather, atrocious sun, and all kind of infections flying all over. Undaunted by sultry weather, Secretary General was mixing up with mothers and children, knowing after their welfare, and UNICEF had also established a makeshift school for children. And I tell you very frankly that he was sweating, but he was not stopping, shaking hands, hugging children. And believe me, he won the hearts and souls of millions of Pakistanis. And then he didn't know Urdu, he doesn't know Urdu, but he spoke their language. He conveyed their feelings of a cloudburst which devastated millions of people.